Hey girls, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be here today to talk to you girls. I have an unboxing reveal today. It's a Tory Burch handbag video. If you love Tory Burch bags, come on back to my channel, hit like and subscribe down below. Let's go ahead, let's get started. Let's jump right in talking about this lovely Tory Burch bag. So I have my beauty right here, the lovely Tory Burch bag that I want to talk about with you girls. And I'm going to be doing the unboxing and reveal without wasting any time, without any further ado. Let's get the bag on the screen and we can talk to you about a denim haul that I recently did. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's look at the bag. So here she is right here, you guys. I'm so excited for this one. I know I say that a lot, but hey, we all love the bags. Here she is. So my beautiful Tory Burch Fleming Crescent bag. She's got a long name. She's got a very long name, you guys. It's the Tory Burch Soft Crescent Mini Fleming. Tory Burch Mini Fleming Soft Crescent. Tory Burch Crescent bag. It's in the crescent bag that's like in the shape of a crescent, moon bag, and she's the soft Fleming for Tory Burch. I love the chunky, let's just say it was the chunky chain that was the ultimate decision maker. I couldn't resist that. She's just so fly with this chunky chain, you guys. Like the Marc Jacobs J-Mark bag with the chain. I just love when I have a chain. I don't know what that is about me with the crossbody, and then to have the chain just hanging off the bag, that just looks so cute. So let me go ahead and cut the tag off of this beauty. I just hit myself in the head with the chain, you guys. Now, this bag had been on my radar for quite some time. This bag had been on my radar for years. I mean, I've even went ahead and took a look at this bag in the orange leather at Nordstrom. This bag was in a beautiful orange leather. The orange leather one, a version of this bag almost broke me. I almost broke down and bought it in the orange leather, but I did go ahead and I couldn't resist the denim, especially right now since I'm such on a denim kick again. Every once in a while, you know how it is, you girls, we go through different kicks, and I've been on a denim kick before and I'm back on my denim vibes, you guys. Okay, let me go ahead and take the tag off. Let me go ahead and cut this tag. And I always save my tags, but we're gonna go ahead and cut her off. Okay, so I have my lovely tag for the bag right here. Okay, you girls, so I'm back and I was able to go ahead and take the tag off the bag, and so I could start enjoying her. And she does come with the leather strap, as well as you can go ahead and carry her by the very thick, and it's a heavy duty strap, this silver hardware strap that they give you with the Fleming for Tory Burch. I've been on such a Tory Burch kick as well lately, so it's really nice to go ahead and add this Fleming to my collection. But she's gonna look so nice with all my denim pieces in my wardrobe, and I love her in a lot of the other colors too. They had a beautiful soft pink color that I was debating with, because even though I'm into denim and I love the denim, I gotta admit the soft pink one was very pretty as well. It was a very soft, subtle pastel pink leather, but then I started thinking that might get a little dirty, and then in the winter time I won't always be able to wear this one. The denim one I can carry all year round, summer, fall, spring, any season. And yeah, I just thought she was really cute. I know some of the Fleming bags have the double T on either side. I'll go ahead and insert a photo here, but some of the Flemings have the double T. And this one only has the single T, and it's upside down. It's right side up when the bag is open like that, but when you go ahead and close the bag, then the T is upside down, which is okay. But that T is so recognizable as Tory Burch. I love the symbol for Tory Burch. I love the Tory Burch earrings and jewelry. So yeah, today I just wanted to share my new Tory Burch Crescent Mini Fleming bag, and it's a crossbody bag. It's so cute. and I'm gonna be enjoying wearing her. Okay girls, so I'm back and I'm having my lovely bag on. I'm wearing my lovely bag, and I just want to share some of the Blue Jean Denim items that I recently picked up. So here is one of the jackets. I know, this jacket is barely there. It barely covers anything. It barely covers your boobs, but that's the trend, that's the style of it. And it has really, really long sleeves. I've really been into like really, really long sleeves on the denim jackets lately, and I absolutely love this one. So it's so cute, and of course it has the fringes, and this would just look cute with jeans, with my tank top and some jeans, or your tank top and some casual slacks, and then your bag across you. Whether it's a denim bag or a leather bag or any bag, the Blue Jean Denim jackets are gonna look so, so cute for this time of year, because the weather, the season just changed in the Midwest where I live. It went from being extremely, extremely hot, and thank goodness we finally got a break in that 90-degree weather, but now it's kind of chilly and cool. And if you're not wearing something, like the other day I was just wearing my short sleeve vest, and I kind of had an itchy, scratchy throat when I got home. I felt like I was coming down with a cold, but thankfully I'm okay. And I know, always carry that extra jacket with you, or sweater or something this time of year when the season is kind of changing. So this is the first one. And here is the second one. So, so cute. It's a denim vest, and I love it because you have that Cowboy Carter. You have that Beyonce rhinestone fringe, you guys. We know Beyonce was like really hitting it this summer with her Cowboy Western album and all her songs. And it's got that little, Levi look with the rhinestone and then with the fringes. So I love this one. It's tattered in the back as well. This looks so cute on. And I got some of them to fit right, and then I got some of them a little oversized, so that, they'll look really, really cute. I could wear a turtleneck under this, or a bodysuit under this with my jeans. So this one is really cute as well. And when you're done rocking the denim look with the fringe, with the rhinestones, if the rhinestones begin to get a little bit too much for you, this type of jacket you can always go ahead and DIY, and you can remove the rhinestones and just wear the denim when you get tired of the rhinestone look. So you can always go ahead and bring it down if it's a little too glitzed up for you. Okay, next, and the next one that I want to talk about being blitzed up. So I wore this in a recent video, but this is my next one right here. It's so cute. It's embellished with pearls. Look at those pearls, you guys. I mean, come on. How could you resist that if you're a diva? You cannot resist these pearls. And it looks so cute. It will go cute with a really, really cute bag. It would just look so, so cute when you're all glammed up, or even if you want to be dressed down and then just throw this. The weather, on a cold evening when you're going out and you just want to throw something over your bodysuit or your jeans, if you're running out, you could just grab this and throw it over you, and you'll be nice and warm. And I love it because it's not throughout the whole jacket. That would be too much. But yeah, that would be too much if the whole jacket was embellished in pearl. They just did it at the top right there. So that looks really, really cute, you guys. Yeah. sweethearts, that's all I have for you today. Remember to like, comment, subscribe on my channel. Stick with me for more fun videos. Thank you so much for joining me for my denim haul and talking about my new Tory Burch Soft Fleming mini Crescent bag. I love you guys. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.